yeah, yeah. Woo, woo. Rocking chair, wood floor creaks, radio hums, same old speech. Talking about rockets, talking about peach, saying the future's sweet as peaches. I tap it dial, hear static sing, dream up machines that talk and sting, screens in our hands that never sleep. Everyone shouting into the deep, but the little bird from tomorrow landed on my window frame. Said they wrapped their hearts in wires and call it a better day. Said the future might look bright, kid, all chrome and electric spark, but when the daylight hits it, you'll see it's a little dark. I'll say it. I see a sickness in crowded trains, people in paper hiding their face, kitchens all quiet, chairs all space, loving each other from miles away. Voices in the houses, no one beside, talking in circles to flickering light. Smiles for a picture, tears off screen, counting approval for self-esteem. And that little bird from tomorrow shook its head and tucked its wing. Said they trade their time for shadows and call it living the dream. Said the future might look bright, kid, all neon in the dark, but every shining billboard can cover a broken heart. They'll sell you truth in headlines, change the colors of the news, they teach you who to laugh at, tell you what you're gonna lose. You'll scroll and scroll through strangers, forget the faces in this room, forget the taste of Sunday and roses in full bloom. Oh, 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 oh. So pass that sugar, stir my tea, hold this moment here with me. Listen to crickets, the distant train, your hand in mine, saying my name. We got the moon, we got the porch, we got the night, we don't need more. Heaven ain't hiding in some new spark, it's right here beating in the dark. 'Cause that little bird from tomorrow taught me how to see today. Said love the crack of thunder, love the simple quiet rain. If the future burns too bright, kid, and twist your tender heart, remember where you came from before it all went dark. So fly on back, small prophet, I'll stay beneath these stars. I'll take the world I've got now before they turn it hard. Yeah, the future might look bright, kid, all chrome and electric spark, but I'm holding you in daylight while it's only a little dark.